In today's video, I will put you through on how to add text to videos, all right, in Microsoft Clipchamp. I'll walk you through on how to add text without background color, and I will still walk you through on how to add text with background color. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, to add text, as you have import your video, just as you can see here, my video is already in my timeline. What you need to do is to click on text, okay? So once you click on text, you see some text samples, all right? If it's plain text that you want to add in a video, first, take your cursor to where you want the text to be in the timeline. Just click on it. In this case, maybe I want to add a text from here. I'll click on cut. Okay, so that I'll make sure that I get everything correctly. Okay, correctly. Then, as you have clicked on the text tab, take your cursor to the type of text you want to add. All right, just as my cursor is on this text right now. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right, press and hold on it and then drag and drop the text to this timeline. You have to be careful, do it carefully. If you do not even get it at the first one, the exact position, just drop it. All right, you can see it has crossed here now. So you have to adjust it, all right, until you get it. You see, once you get it in the same line, in the correct line, you will see the playhead will change color. Okay, so you release the pressure on the mouse. All right. Okay, so it gets here pressure on the cursor, sorry, left button of the cursor. So release the pressure. So here I click on this again, and then you can see as I clicked on it in this timeline, it has been selected. So let's say I want to add a text. I'll double click here for this to be selected, the default text, and I can say info. All right, let's say the text I want to add is info, all right, or information. All right, so you type the text you want to add in the video. Okay, so you can see the text has shown up here. Okay, and if you want to change the text type, here is DM Sans that is selected. You can click here and select a different one, maybe school bell. All right, so you can see it has changed. Okay, then if you don't want to change the text color, you click here and select a different color of your choice. All right, you can see it has changed to black, but if you want it to be for white, at white, you click on white. All right, it returns to white. Okay, now look at this. You can see it's 100% white. Okay, if you want to reduce it, you can click here for it to be dropping. You can see, but no, I want it to be 100% white in this case, or 100% of any color I want to, assign. Okay, the color of the text. All right. Okay, so in this case now, let's look at this as the text has been selected here. If you click here, you can see another tab named text. You can click there. Here it allows you to still change color just as we have done it here too. You can click on this advanced to see some other options. You have line height. All right, you have this one is chosen already. You have line spacing. If you want it to be more, the line spacing, you increase outline. If you want to add outline, you check this button and you can see outline has been added here. Okay, but if you don't want it, you just click on this button for it to go. If you want to add shadow, click on this button and shadow will be added. But there's no need for that. I'll toggle it off. All right. So this is how you can add text using this plain text option. Okay, let's say I want to add another different type of text. How do I go about it? Let me delete this. For you to delete it, click on it once and press the backspace key of your computer keyboard. It is gone. Okay, so since Microsoft Clipchamp got updated, I like working with this text type that assign automatic background. All right, so for you to work with this, all right, another text type, first click on the text tab by this left margin. All right, once you click on that, you see some text samples you can use. So take your cursor to this one which you want to use. In this case, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag and drop in a new above the video. All right, just it must be above the video, please, so that the text will show. If it doesn't align with what you want to have, as usual, take your cursor to this text. Okay, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then you adjust until you see this new line that shows that everything has matched. Okay, then it's time to edit. Let's say here, stay, I want to have important or maybe update, all right, as a text I want to assign. Once it's selected here and the playhead is on the text, all right, you can double click, okay, for the text to be selected. You move using the arrow key to get here and then remove everything. All right, you can now add your own text. Let's say here I want to have it as update, all right, update. Good. I have typed update and you can see automatic background color is assigned here. So which makes the white color to comes out very well. Okay. If you want to push this text down or in any location, just click out. Okay. Once you click out, click on the text again and then press and hold the little button of your mouse and then drag it to any new position you want to have it. All right. In this case, I want to have this one here and you click out. You're good. If you want to still work further on the text, you click on it again and you can change the size of the text. Maybe here I want to change it to maybe 40 or 64. You can see it has become bigger. All right. So this allows you to still work on the text further. Maybe you don't want maybe black, you can just go with white. Okay, it displays some other ones. Maybe you see the color has changed. All right, you can change this color. I can take blue, but please let's go with our default white. I like white, please. All right, and it has returned back to normal. All right, you can click here and choose a different one for the background. All right, maybe you want to change the text background. You can go with red. All right, so this allows you to change the text color, and this allows you to change the background of the text. By default, black is assigned, but if you want a different thing, you can change it. Okay, let's go back to black. I'll click out. So this is how you can add text on a video and also work further on the text. All right. You can see a lot of samples you can use here. So you can try out all these ones. Since the update made by Microsoft Clipchamp, we have something more to work with. All right. So that is that. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about this video. All right, you can watch this video here to learn more on Microsoft Clipchamp or another tech stuff. Thank you and see you some other time.